Today we are going to make the famous Goan Pork Vindalho. It's very easy for you to make if you have this masala with you. These are our home ground masalas, all done from scratch, and I'll just show you how it's done. So first you take the pork. The pork has been cut and diced. So we're using, this is already measured out, it's 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 4 tablespoons of the Vindaloo masala. And to this we add just a little bit of vinegar so that you can make it into a paste. So just mix it a little bit in this and then put it to the grinder just for a few minutes because it's already powdered, but you just want a smooth thick paste. Mix the meat well, and this is to be kept aside at least for 4 or 5 hours, so better still overnight. Just a little bit of salt to the marinade. The pork has been marinated for 5 or 6 hours. The pan is hot. I'm pouring in about 2 tablespoons of oil. And we're using about 2 onions sliced. Okay, now the oil is hot enough. So we're putting in our sliced onion. Add a wee bit of salt in it so that the onions brown faster. Just wait for a little while till they are slightly golden but not too brown. Add the meat. Mix the meat and brown it nicely on all sides so that the juices are sealed in. Just add a little bit of more vinegar to wash the mixie so that you get out all the masala and whatever is left in the bowl. Pour it into the curry. If you're using a pressure cooker, then you can put it, after the whistle comes, and keep it for about 10 minutes. If you're slow cooking, then you cover it with the lid, put a thali on top of it with the water so that it doesn't stick. The whole thing starts to boil. Once it comes to the boil, then you can put it on a slow fire and cook it for another 1.5 hours. If you want to use a pressure cooker, then you could transfer it to a pressure cooker and keep it for 10 minutes after the whistle comes.